Let's understand a bit of detail around those tunnels. So within my application is going to generate some traffic, and it may understand what a forwarding pack file is. It might look at Internet Explorer and bring in the pack file. And so that pack file decision says, should I send it to the client connector? It's going to understand something that's a ZPA segment based on how it resolves. So there's going to be exclusions and inclusions. Anything that's included will be sent through to the client connector, or the client connector will physically intercept traffic. Anything that is bypassed will bypass through the packet filters and directly out to the internet. With the tunnel 1.0, it's important to understand that traffic at a network layer will only intercept traffic that's ATM 443. So if you've got, again, the application generating packets, if it's ATM 443, it'll be intercepted and passed to the Zscaler client connector. If it's explicitly proxied, you have a proxy configuration tunnel with local proxy, it'll be passed to that local adapter that's listening, and again into the Zscaler client connector. Or again, if it's a Zscaler private access segment, we'll intercept that and send the traffic to the Zscaler client connector. Anything that is none of those, anything that is not a ZPA segment or ATM 443 will inherently bypass Zscaler client connector and then route directly out through the interface to the internet. With the tunnel with local proxy as the only configuration on there, you explicitly need the forwarding profile pack to target traffic directly to the local listener on the Zscaler client connector. So my application needs to be proxy aware. It needs to understand that configuration of what my Zscaler client connector proxy listener is, and it will then forward the traffic to that Zscaler client connector. The Zscaler client connector then passes traffic to the Zscaler internet access. Any other traffic that's not ZPA will pass out directly to the internet. In the route-based mode, again, there is a routed adapter. There's an additional network adapter that's configured on the machine. And in a scenario where the tunnel with local proxy is not configured, the application generates traffic, it follows the routing table, and that traffic routes into the Zscaler client connector IP address. The application pack processes the traffic, and again, traffic routes either to the Zscaler cloud or it bypasses and routes directly to the internet.